final exam now. This radiation, here also heat transfer from one place to another place without necessary of medium. Once again I repeat, heat transfer from one place to other place without necessary of the medium. This phenomena is called radiation. The best example is sunlight to reach the earth. Between some vacuum is there. Vacuum means no air. That means no medium, but light propagated from sun to earth. That means light propagated in the topic without necessary of medium. This phenomena is called radiation. This phenomena is called radiation. Radiation means heat flow, heat transfer from one place to other place without necessary of the medium. This phenomena is called radiation. Here Nana in the topic I directly given Nana Stefan's law. Okay, 3 formulas directly given and solve the problems. First formula Nana Stefan's law. In the Stefan's law, power means generally called as rate of emitted heat. Here sun then emit చేస్తుంది heat, rate of emitted heat. Stefan's law ప్రకారం rate of emitted heat is nothing but the power emitted by the body equal to sigma a e t power 4. Sorry, sigma a t power 4. Here P is called emitted power of the body. Sigma is called Stefan's constant. Its value is Stefan's constant value is 5.67 into 10 power minus 8. A is called surface area of the body. For example, given body is sphere. Surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. For example, given body is bulb. Bulb is a cylindrical shape. Area of the cylindrical shape is 2 pi rl. Once again I repeat, given body is spherical shape. Sun is spherical, star is spherical. Area of the surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. For example, given emitted material is bulb. Bulb is in the cylindrical shape, so that's why 2 pi r l. Okay, here this is the area formula. Here T is called absolute temperature of the body. That means in the chapter temperature taken in Kelvin only. For example, 27 degrees Celsius is given. Compulsory to convert plus 273, get 300 Kelvin. That means T is the absolute temperature of the body. This law is applicable only for black bodies. Black body is a good absorber and a good emitter. Best example is sun. Okay, but we apply next scientist name Boltzmann entered. This is law is called Stefan-Boltzmann law. This same formula P equal to sigma a t power 4. Here right E is called emissivity of the body. For example, for a black body, emissivity value is 1. So that's why we get Stefan's law. This formula is applicable for all bodies in the universe. All bodies in the universe. For example, what is the Stefan-Boltzmann law? Emitted power equal to sigma a e t power 4. Here E is called emissivity. This value is given to the problems. Okay, black body అన్నాడు, emissivity value ఎంత 1. ఈ యొక్క ఫార్ములా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి అన్న రేడియేషన్స్ లో పవర్ ఎమిటెడ్ పవర్ ఫార్ములా సిగ్మా ఏ ఈ T power 4. This law is called Stefan's-Boltzmann law. Next nana, Stefan's cooling law. This is only applicable for black body. Generally, body have high temperature, sun have high temperature, nearly 10 power 4 Kelvin. Nana, yesterday I discussed Newton law of cooling. Newton law of cooling means the body cool, we apply Newton law of cooling formula. That is applicable only for small difference in temperature. For example, body temperature, surrounding temperature is body temperature and surrounding temperature difference is very small. Body temperature 60 undanuko, surrounding temperature 30. What is the difference? 30 degrees Celsius. Kani ikkada body temperature 500 Kelvin ante surrounding temperature 30. Ante difference is more. Difference is more. Body temperature and surrounding temperature difference is more. We apply Stefan's cooling. According to Stefan's cooling, loss of power, rate of loss of heat is nothing but the power. Once again I repeat, rate of loss of heat. Here body cool, that means heat will be lost. Rate of loss of heat formula is sigma A E, okay, T power 4 minus Ts power 4. This formula is applicable only for keyword in the problem black body cool, ORR, body temperature, surrounding temperature difference is high, then we apply Stefan's cooling law, ORR. Newton law of cooling eppudu applicable? Body temperature and surrounding temperature difference is very less, then we apply Newton law of cooling. What is the Stefan's cooling? Sigma A E T power 4 minus Ts power 4. Here sigma is Stefan's constant, A is area of surface area of the body, E is emissivity. For a given body is black body, emissivity value becomes 1 and into T power 4. T is called temperature of the body, Ts is called temperature of the surrounding. Okay, these three formulas I apply and solve some more problems. I explain some examples to listen carefully. Now I am going to discuss problems. Here first problem, a spherical body. A spherical body, radius is given, temperature is given, power is given. Power is 450 watts. Next body is given, the radius is half nana r by 2. Temperature is double nana 2T compared to previous. Find power emitted. Now here keyword in the problem, a spherical black body. A spherical black body means we apply Stefan's law or Stefan-Boltzmann law. For example, Stefan-Boltzmann law, sigma A E T power 4. This is the black body. Black body emissivity value is 1. So that's why this is the formula for emitted power. This is a spherical black body. Spherical black body means surface area is 4 pi r square E T power 4. According to data, power depends upon the r square and T power 4. So that's why simply call as P directly proportional to r square T power 4 to solve the problem. Simply write as this formula P2 by P1. Right side R2 by R1 whole square into T2 by T1 whole power 4. Here temperature compulsory to convert into Kelvin. Next problem. Here two bulbs is given. Bulbs length ratio is given, L1 by L2 is 2 by 1 and emissivity ratio is given E1 by E2 is 2:1. Diameters ratio, diameter is nothing but the radius nana, radius ratio is given 2:1. Powers ratio is given P1 by P2 is 1:2 nana. Find ratio of temperatures, this is the key. Here how many bulbs are given nana? 2 bulbs are given. Power emitted in the chapter of Stefan-Boltzmann law, sigma A E T power 4. Okay. Here bulb is in the cylindrical shape, so surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r L into E T power 4. Okay. According to this concept, power directly proportional to radius and L E T power 4. P1 by P2. To solve the problem, P1 by P2 equal to R1 by R2, L1 by L2, E1 by E2, T1 by T2 whole power 4. Okay, that's right, and get the answer. Next, Nana. Another important conceptual question, Nana, to see here. First, listen question, Nana. A star behaves like a perfect black body emitting radiant energy. The ratio of radiant energy emitted per second, energy per second is nothing but the power. Okay, power to the star compared to another star. Nana, simply here Nana, the question is mainly to determine P1 by P2 Nana. Here how many stars is given? 2 stars is given. First star radius is R అయితే ఫార్మర్ స్టార్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే సెకండ్ స్టార్ రేడియస్ ఈజ్ 8R. హియర్ టెంపరేచర్ T అయితే ఫార్మర్ స్టార్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే టెంపరేచర్ ఈజ్ T/4, 1/4 అన్నాడు అంటే T/4. ఓకే, పవర్ ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ టెల్ మీ సిగ్మా A E T పవర్ 4. అయితే ఇక్కడ పవర్ అంటే పవరు సిగ్మా, స్టార్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద స్పెరికల్ షేప్, సో దట్స్ వై 4 pi r square E into T power 4. Star is a black body, E value becomes 1. According to data, power directly proportional to r square into T power 4. And solve the P1 by P2. Okay, according to data. And again, I solve the fourth problem, important model to see here. This is the solid sphere. It heated Tk and the temperature is T. That means 50 hours to 60 hours. The sphere is cut into two halves. This is here. The sphere is cut into two halves. The ratio of intensity emitted by the half sphere compared to intensity emitted by the full sphere. Actually, in the chapter, we know the power formula sigma A E T power 4. Here, power by area is nothing but the intensity. Intensity equal to sigma E T power 4. This is the formula for intensity in the chapter. Intensity generally defined as power by area. Sigma is Stefan's constant. Emissivity per black body 1 fixed value. Here temperature, this is temperature T, this temperature also T, temperature also constant. So that's why I1 by I2, that means half sphere by intensity of half sphere by intensity of full sphere is 1:1, because here intensity does not, here all will be constant. So that's why intensity also constant. Intensity of the half sphere by intensity of the full sphere 1:1, because intensity depends upon the sigma E T. According to question, all is constant, all are constant, so that's why intensity also constant. That means intensity ratio is 1:1. Last problem important. Last problem. Here sphere is given, cube is given. Sphere, cube, both made of copper, have equal volumes. Volume of the sphere is volume of the cube. Okay? Generally, for example, this sphere radius is r, cube side length is l. Then here volume of the cube is l cube. Okay? Volume of the cube is l cube. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay? According to this concept, r cube by l cube equal to 3 by 4 pi. What is the r by l? R by l. 3 other side. Here 1 by 3. 3 by 4 pi whole power 1 by 3. What is the r by l whole square? Here 3 by 4 pi whole power 2 by 3. Okay? This is the r by l whole square. Here these are heated. Both are heated same temperature and allowed to cool under the same surrounding. Once again I repeat. Here sphere is there. Here cube is there. Both are made of copper, have equal volumes and are blackened. Keyword in the problem. Both are black bodies. Okay? And these are heated to same temperature and are allowed to cool under same surrounding. That means cool. We apply Stefan's law of cooling. Power equal to formula we know that sigma A E T power 4 minus Ts power 4. Here both the bodies have same temperature and same surroundings. This is constant, sigma constant. Black body emissivity value is 1. That means simply power depends upon the area. According to this formula, P1 by P2 equal to A1 by A2. Okay? Nana, first body is sphere. Nana. What is the surface area of the sphere? 4 pi r square. Second body is cube. Nana. Cube have 6 surfaces according to duster. To look here the duster. This is the upper surface. This is the upper surface. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each surface have square shape. So that's why 6 into area L square. And once again, surface area of the cube 6 L square. Okay? Here neatly write as, look here Nana, 4 pi by 6. Here P1 by P2 can be calculated into R by L whole square. Already R by L can be calculated by using keyword is both the sphere and volume have, sphere and cube volume have same. Nana. R by L whole square can be calculated. What is the R by L whole square value? 3 by 4 pi. 3 by 4 pi whole power 2 by 3. Okay? Here finally we get, look here, 4 pi, okay, by 6 into 3 power 2 by 3. 4 pi into whole power minus 2 by 3. Here 4 pi whole power 1, 4 pi whole power minus 2 by 3. Bases equal, powers will be add. 1 minus 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 3. Here whole power 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 write as 1 by 3 into 3 power 2 by 3 by here write 6 Nana. 6. Okay? Look here Nana. Look here. 4 pi whole power 1 by 3. Okay? This neatly write as 4. Write as 2 square Nana. 2 square. 2 power 2 by 3 into pi power 1 by 3 into 3 power 1 by 3. Here 4 write 2 square. Okay? 2 square by 6. Here 2 into, once again. Here 3 power and 2 by 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 power 2 by 3 into pi power 1 by 3. In the denominator is 6. Here, base here finally we get pi power 1 by 3 whole by 6. 1, 6 minus 2 by 3. Bases equal, powers will be add 1 minus 2 by 3, write as 1 by 3 pi by 6 whole power 1 by 3. This is the powers ratio. This is also most important problem. Here keyword in the problem black and cool. Black and cool can see we apply Stefan law of cooling. What is the formula? Sigma A E T power 4 minus Ts power 4. Okay. These three formulas we apply Stefan's law, Stefan's Boltzmann law, Stefan law of cooling. Mainly to use Stefan's Boltzmann law because that formula is applicable for all bodies, included to black body. Black body and E value taken 1. Okay. These problems to solve today and I give assignment also. Same problems I give assignment. Okay, so that's why first to listen the class and to solve all the problems. Yesterday I discussed Newton law of cooling, Wien's displacement law and calorimetry. Today I discuss conduction and radiation. This including of heat part. Okay, SSR also discuss solids, liquids and gases. So heat part is completed.